Tapa mo lang.
Of your address. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
Without mental reservation or purpose.
Together accepted by the criminology profession in the Philippines.
The reasons behind success of your children. Question tuwing tayo na. Once again,
Modernization Act 2000 and our Professional Regulatory Board of Criminology, Suman 2, Republic Act 11131, the Philippine Criminology Profession Act 2018, other issuances and memorandum circulars effective today, subject to your compliance with the requirements of PRC regional offices where you will be registering as registered criminologists. I now declare and pronounce you as registered criminologists. Congratulations!
Recognition of our national top-notcher and the top-performing schools, honoring their excellence, perseverance, and outstanding achievement in the field of criminology. We begin with the recognition of our national top-notcher, whose performance in the licensure examination has brought pride and distinction to their respective institutions. To award the certificate, may I request Dr. Virgilio Ablasa, and also to the members of the PRB. Let's all give a round of applause to Mr. Tony Ong Banot Dinamle of Ifugao State University, Labon Campus for placing rank 2 nationwide with 92.70% rating in the February 2026 licensure examination for criminologists.
And courtesy of Pickup Region R, token was also awarded to this recognition honors excellence, perseverance, and the collective efforts of both the successful examinees and their academic institution.
May we request the deans and the professors of the identified criminology schools to proceed in front for the awarding.
3.36% passing rate.